Assalamualaikum. I am Siti Nurul Aini binti Abdul Rahman. Today I am represent IoT, which stand for Internet of Things Based Control Model in Smart Irrigation System. Okay, introduction on IoT based control and smart irrigation. Okay, so what is smart irrigation? Smart irrigation use weather or soil data to determine the irrigation needs of the landscape by using IoT. Okay, sensor-based IoT technology collect the data about the soil and update a crop status and then transmit the information from the sensor to the irrigation system. Important components in smart irrigation. What are the importance of IoT and automation of smart irrigation? Okay, the first is to establish a system that automates the irrigation process. The second is the system can deliver optimal water based on the moisture, light, and other parameters. And lastly, to monitor the parameters through the mobile app, which can be integrated into the cloud storage. Okay, I choose one case study about how to develop a IoT based control model. The paper's entitled An Automated Irrigation System Using Sensors, GSM, Bluetooth, and the Cloud Technology by Monica et al. In 2017. The purpose of the study, okay, the first is to help farmers during the drought season due to the deficient rain, and then to prevent over the flooding due to the excess rain, to decrease the workload, to update the status of soil condition, and any malfunctioning of the mechanical system like pumps or motor, and to figure out which crop is suitable for a particular season. Equipment used in the study. Okay, the first is sensor-based automatic irrigation system. There are two components which are sensors and Arduino Uno board. For the sensors, soil moisture, temperature, luminosity, and humidity sensors are used. And for the Arduino Uno board is one of the easy to use programmable microcontroller board, okay, which can integrate with a variety of electronic device. Okay, and the second is Internet of Things. It is a networks of physical device in which interacting with each other to collect, control, and exchange the data. Okay, the smartphone is one of the web service that allocates a user or registrant with 15 MB data space. For the GSM technology, okay, GSM technology is an integration of the GSM module with the Arduino Uno board, which helps in achieving real-time updates and condition of the farm. And lastly, Wi-Fi technology to update the soil parameters to the cloud. Okay, the image below show the GSM module, Arduino Uno board, luminosity sensor, and the soil moisture sensor. How they develop a sensor-based model? Okay, the first by the integration of the sensors with Arduino Uno board. Okay, for the moisture sensor, the moisture content was categorized into 4 levels. Okay, for LO or L0 indicates that the soil is dry. L1, L2, the soil is moderately wet, and L3 flooded. At level 0, the pump will turn on. Okay, for the temperature sensor, LM35 integrated circuit temperature device was used. It provides an accuracy of plus minus 1 degrees Celsius and plus minus 3 degrees Celsius. For the luminosity sensor, okay, the function of luminosity sensor to detect if there is any overclouding. Okay, the light was detected by the range from L0 to L10. L0 indicates that the day is quite dark or dark, and L10 bright. Okay. Arduino Uno board are powered by the laptop or an external adapter of 9 volt, and there is one software used which is Arduino IDE, which is it can edit, write and upload any code related to the system. Okay, let's move to the GSM technology. Okay, the image below show the Arduino Uno board and HC05 connection. HC05 is a Bluetooth module. Okay, this is the image of the HC05 and it's powered by 12 volt supply. Okay, in this component, they also indicates the X and RX pins that are responsible for transmitting the message to the user. Okay, this is the example of message that was sent by the GSM technology or GSM module. Okay, and SMS is sent every third cycle, which is approximately 3 minutes, but this can be altered according to the convenience of the farmers. Okay. Next, control of motor through the mobile application. Okay, it is one of safety unit in case there is any malfunction occurs during the process of automation. So the motor can be turned on and off by pairing with the Bluetooth. Okay, so how the data was sent to the cloud? Okay, using the ESP8266 module. Okay, it is one of the Wi-Fi module that works with UART serial communication pin. Okay, so Wi-Fi module will receive the commands, then send them to the internet using HTTP GET request. Okay, SparkFun was used to store the data on the cloud. Okay, that is the image of the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. And so this is the model of sensor-based IoT in automation of smart irrigation system that have been successfully developed. Okay, the sensing element node is deployed on the field for the sensing of soil parameters such as temperature, moisture, luminosity, and humidity. According to the soil parameters, the automation is achieved by turning the motor on and off using the threshold values embedded in the code. In conclusion, the irrigation system on automation use optimal resources to improve the efficiency of the irrigation. This system can be implemented in places that face water shortage to improve the agricultural sustainability. Okay, and this is my reference. That's all for today. Thank you.